Hi guys, this is Nivi from Design by Nivi. Welcome to the instruction video of my budget template. Once you receive the PDF file, you can access the template and the instruction video by clicking on the click here link over here. Before opening the template, make sure you have logged into your Google account and you have enough space on them, or you may get some errors. If you don't have one, you can sign in by clicking on sign up here in this PDF. Click the link and you will be directed to the browser and click on the button that says make a copy. That will open your editable budget template. In case you are still in a read-only mode version, make a copy of the file by clicking on the file on the top left corner and click make a copy. Rename the file as you wish. In the first sheet, you will be able to access the instruction video by clicking on the link over here. This is the place to choose your currency for the entire template. In case you couldn't find your currency in the drop-down list, click on the small pencil icon on the bottom right corner that says edit button, and on the right side of the page, scroll down to the bottom and click add another item and add the symbol of your currency and click done. If you click on any cells that is fettered with formula or restricted, you will be warned before making any changes to the cell, so you might not delete any formulas accidentally. Now it's time to add all your categories in your budget tab. These categories will automatically appear in your monthly tabs. If at some point you need to add or remove any categories, refer back to this budget tab. Do not add or remove them in the monthly tab. Now let's move on to the monthly tabs. I have added last 2 months of 2024, that is November and December, so that you can try practicing before starting your budgeting for 2025. You can also duplicate these monthly tabs and create for your upcoming years. You can consider it as a versatile basic monthly budget spreadsheet. Now let's head to the monthly budget template sheet. In the overview table, write down the desired year and the month. Next, you can find the cash flow table where it automatically displays the category with the budget and actual spending, which makes easier for us to analyze our monthly spending. In the income table, the sources of income is automatically added from the budget tab. You can add the expected amount of income for the month. It will be automatically added to the cash flow table and the left to budget space. In the bills table, add the due date so you don't accidentally miss them. Next, choose the type that each category fits in, either something you need, you want, or you're saving for the future. Lastly, add your budget for each category. The main difference between bills and expenses is that for bills, you pay the exact same amount periodically, whereas expenses are variable cost. Now you can add the type and budget amount for your expenses table. You can see the left to budget is automatically calculated. Repeat the same process for investment, debt and savings. Remember, for debts too, you can add your due date so you don't miss them. You can see the left to budget is recalculated. And the budget chart which shows need, want and savings with the respective percentages. In the summary table, you can easily see how much you have budgeted for each type and how much you have spent realistically. The ratio is automatically set to 50-30-20, but you can switch it to fit your lifestyle needs. Let's assume if you want 70% of your income to be allocated to needs, 20 to wants and 10 to savings, the value will be recalculated automatically. Now that you know, let's go back to 50-30-20 ratio. As we are now done with the budgeting part, let's switch the chart from budgeting view to actual spending view. All of your transactions have to be added in the transaction table. You can choose the transaction date by double clicking on the cell or by writing the date manually if you are using the template on your phone or iPad. Next, add the amount. Then choose the category and name from the drop-down list. You can also add notes next to the transaction. Do not use comma in the amount column as the formula will understand them as a text instead of numbers. You can see colored columns on all your tables. Those are already fed with formulas, so you don't accidentally change them. Sorry, I did not mention them earlier. I have added a subscription table to maintain all your monthly subscription so you don't confuse them with your bills and expenses. You can see the values are automatically added to the actual budget chart. You can look here for the amount left for the month. While you are ready to start your budget for next month, you will notice that all your data except the actual transactions have been sourced from the previous month. So you don't need to start anything from scratch and easily make edits as needed. My main goal in creating the template was to make it easy to use as possible. So I hope you love it as much as I do. It helps you to reach your financial goals that you have set for yourself by monitoring and improving your monthly budget. Thank you.